To switch off the knee joint using the charger, make sure that the knee joint is in a vertical position. Then connect the charging plug and tilt the joint forward 90 degrees, and back up again twice within 10 seconds. Finally, disconnect the charging plug within 5 seconds after the 2 forward tilts have been completed. 3 descending tones confirm that the knee joint has been switched off. The knee joint can be switched off via the connectgo.pro app. Go to the component status and select Switching off the component. After tapping on the Switch Off button, the switch off signal occurs. Note that once the knee joint is turned off, you need a power charger to turn it back on. This is different from the deep sleep mode, which allows users to wake up the knee joint using the app.